Hello, this is Andreas Koch from Playback Designs. Originally, I wanted to attend the audio show in Taiwan, but unfortunately, due to COVID, traveling is not possible, and I have to address you with a video from my own very own home office here in the USA, sunny California. And first of all, I want to extend my thanks to Top Audio, our distributor in Taiwan, for putting up a show or a display at the show in Taiwan and promoting our products. And I'm sure it's going to be a tremendous display and a good show. I hope you enjoy it. Back to Playback Designs, just a few words on that. Playback Designs, the company, has its roots in the creation of SACD and DSD formats and about 20 years ago. And we have developed for Sony and Philips all the technology for DSD processing, recording, playing back, editing, and we created a Sonoma workstation, which still is a recorder and editor, and it was the first one for DSD formats. But it's still being used today in recording studios throughout the world. That's quite impressive. And for the technology, we had to develop the basic technology all from scratch because there was no chips off the shelf available that were able to record or convert DSD from analog or to digital. So everything had to be developed from scratch and discreetly. And so with this technology, that was 20 years ago, and of course, that technology was evolved and we developed and we built on it for all those 20 years. But still today, we find that building technology discreetly, not with standard off-the-shelf chips, is still the best way. The higher quality and the better performance we get out of this. So this is still what we're doing today, and all this technology that was built up originally for Sony and Philips made it into our own company, Playback Designs, for consumer applications, but also small professional applications in recording studios. We still have a strong hold in recording studios, and I have many friends there. And that's still my route, and I enjoy that personally. So behind me, you see the Dream series consisting of the MPD-8 DAC and the transport, and also a player, three products. And personally, this is what I prefer to listen to myself in my home office and also in my living room at home. The MPD-8 is a DAC that we developed with no compromise. We wanted to get the best performance out of a DAC, the most analog performance also that was possible. Of course, within reason, of course, with financial constraints. But this is to my humble opinion, this is the best DAC that you can buy, the best performing DAC, the most analog sounding digital to analog converter. Together with, combined with the MPD-8, the transport, this creates a digital front-end system that can play anything, any digital format, be it CD, SACD, files from a server through USB or streaming. We have a streaming interface, or as an option, that can stream directly from Qobuz and Tidal and other sources like Deezer directly from the internet, or you can stream from a NAS or from local storage. It's meant to be everything for digital formats. Wherever that source is, you can play that. This is our flagship series, and of course the separate system, the MPD-8 and MPD-8, was then combined to a player, which is the bottom piece here, and that's the MPS8. It's a SSCD player, and also a USB interface, and it has an optional streaming interface inside. So functionally, it is basically the same thing as the separates, but it's just in one box. Price-wise, it is a little bit different, of course. You know, it's more budgeted. It's also one case, only one power supply. Actually, two power supplies, one for digital, one for analog, whereas the MPD8, the DAC, has three power supplies, one for left, one for right, and one for left analog, one for right analog, and one for digital. And that creates a tremendous amount of separation between left and right. And needless to say, we also separated the circuits on different printed circuit boards. And then, of course, the digital is very separate and shielded also. So the MPD8 and the middle one there is packed with electronics and shielding devices that gets you the performance and the separation that we wanted. In addition, we connect all the digital sources through the MPT8, that's the transport, via our own proprietary fiber optical link. And that's a very high performance glass fiber link that allows you to separate, or gives you a galvanic separation between the digital sources, which have always asynchronous clocks going, and this very sensitive circuitry in the DAC. So we wanted to have this clear separation and electrical separation that shields the sensitive circuitry in the DAC, from all these influences, and that's our flagship model. In the future, we will expand further down. We have developments going on, for a lower budget system based on the same technology as here, and hopefully this will come out soon. And it's a little bit delayed because of COVID, and we had to close our factory for a little bit. But we're back up and running, and we're excited, to be participating at the audio show in Taiwan. And again, I'm sorry I cannot attend myself personally. I would like to meet you all myself, but it will have to be next time. And I hope the show will be a success for everybody. And thanks again to Top Audio for giving me this opportunity. Have a good show. Bye-bye.